Hi folks, in today's video we traveled down to Ridgway State Park for a plein air painting and camping experience. This is what I do. Great spot to paint down there. Did this nice little watercolor right behind us. Let's get started. Here we got a nice campfire for our morning breakfast. We'll be cooking over that. Some beautiful, beautiful thick cut bacon from the butcher. And we've got eggs from our own chickens, farm raised, homegrown eggs. And hash brown potatoes, courtesy of Orida. Hard to beat a breakfast over a campfire. There we go, all done, ready to serve. Stella wants to know, are we going yet? Yeah, looking for a painting to do out here. The one I had in mind is out in full sun, and I didn't bring an umbrella. Kind of looking for plan B. I could make a painting. There's the view that I settled on from a little shady spot I found kind of underneath the juniper tree there. Pinyon pine, I guess it is. There's not much shade, but I think I can make it work. Let's see how it goes. That's my view. I get my sketch in. As you can tell, it's a little breezy out, but not so bad that I can't make it work. Get the sky started first. Some cobalt blue. I think skies are one of my favorite parts of the painting. Kind of mixing up a gray, burnt sienna, French ultramarine blue. Just trying to keep it sketchy. The gray is the bare rock in the mountain. Leave some white for the snow patches. As I've mentioned in some of the other videos, we've had a very mild winter. Snowpack is only about 30% of normal. I'm mixing up a dark to get some of these trees in, mostly juniper, pinyon pine. And I'll hand hold the camera and try to give you a different perspective. French ultramarine blue, yellow ochre, and some sap green, with a little bit of burnt sienna. Just randomly sketching these trees. Here I picked up a little bit of white gouache and put a warmer tone in it. Now I'm getting some cobalt blue for some of the shadows. Trying to get a warm and cool application there. Some more white gouache. Get a few sky holes into those trees, let a little light in. And pick up a few patches of snow up in the mountain. Now it's time for some TV poles. I put those teepee poles in a controlled environment where I laid the painting down and I could draw them in. And now, at the end of the day, time for supper. Let's get some green chili hamburgers going. Here we are around the campsite. We've got my wife Kathy and dog Stella, her brother Tim, and his wife Donna. Again, it's over the campfire, doing a little fire management. Can't really turn the gas up or down, so you gotta move the fire a little bit away to turn it down. Here we've got some Dutch oven biscuits going to use as hamburger buns. Boy, didn't those turn out picture perfect.
Easy. Get them easy. Yeah. Love it.
And of course, there's always the domestic chores that go along with it. And you can tell what a beautiful face. The look on her face says it all. And there's some nice alpenglow evening light and a campfire. Thanks a lot for coming along. I really appreciate it. There's going to be more of this. In April, I head to Marble Falls, Texas for my first plein air painting competition of the season. And here I'm contemplating on what's next.